am Pandian. I am going to deal with the geography subject for a GS and also for optional paper. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of a geography. In that I am going to discuss the syllabus of a geography. So before going into the syllabus, I want to know from you that what is a geography? Yes, please. Okay, no issue. Geography is nothing but what we see around us. That is a geography. That's all. How? If you see a mountain, if you see a river, if you see a road, a port city, a building, settlement, agriculture field, that is geography. Geo means earth. Geography means a study of that earth and the man on it. Why? The man only makes roads, railways, agriculture fields. Without a man, we cannot complete the study of geography. So in geography, we are going to study world geography and Indian geography. In world geography, we are going to study about the physical features, that is a physical geography of the world and the human geography. If you complete it for the world geography, then India will be automatically completed because India is also the part of the world. So in our preliminary syllabus, it is clearly mentioned that this is Civil Services Preliminary Examination Syllabus, Paper 1, General Studies. In this, they have clearly mentioned Indian and world geography, which will include the physical, social, economic geography of India and the world. Here, if you study the physical geography, then automatically it is easy to cover the social and economic geography. In that order only, we are going to discuss the subject. Both for GS students and optional geography students, but the classes will be separate. Because for optional students, we have to go in depth into the subject. For GS, it is not so. Okay, let me explain how to study the vast geography syllabus for GS first. Then we will discuss in the next module the optional paper. Here the physical geography is mentioned. If you are thorough with the physical geography, then your geography syllabus is over. How? Very simple. If I study in the physical geography the mountains of the world, then in a human geography, I will be telling that in the mountains, the shifting cultivation will be conducted by the tribal people. Particularly in the tropical, mountain and forest areas, the tribal people are living, they are conducting shifting cultivation. Similarly, in the mountainous area, it is very difficult to settle down. So dispersed settlement will be there. In the settlement geography, we will be studying this. Then in agriculture geography, the terrace cultivation is conducted in the mountainous regions. In geomorphology, you are studying about the mountain Himalayas. In climatology, you will be studying about the Indian monsoon. In that, I will explain about the movement of southwest monsoon wind, the direction from which it is coming The winds are named after the direction from which it is coming. So it is called southwest monsoon wind because it is coming from southwest direction. It is obstructed by this mechanical barrier, the Great Himalayas. So it gives rainfall to India. India receives monsoon rainfall due to this. So without studying geomorphology, I cannot go for the climate. Like that, after completing the physical geography, you will be able to complete the syllabus of human and economic geography. While studying it for the world, you will complete this for India also. Without studying Indian monsoon, I cannot complete the climates of the world. India is the representative country for the monsoon climate, in which the direction of the wind changes 180 degree. During southwest monsoon season, it is coming from this direction. During northeast monsoon season, it is coming from this direction. 180 degree angle. 180 degree reversal of the wind takes place. So in that way, we are going to discuss the subject. Then for preliminary students, GS students, the current affairs is very important. The questions which are asked in UPSC and other examinations are related to current affairs only. This year I expect the question based on current affairs and also on the map, based on map will be asked here only. Okay, so it is in news. We know very well what is going on in Ukraine. So here, what are the water bodies located? They will be asking the question related to these map items only. I assure you that if you refer this part of the world, then definitely you will get at least one question in the coming preliminary examination. Here Black Sea is located, Mediterranean Sea is located, in between a small water bodies, 3 water bodies are located. One is a Strait of Bosphorus on Black Sea side. You can remember like this, B for B. So Strait of Bosphorus. Then on the Mediterranean Sea, Strait of Dardanelles, in between Sea of Marmara. Then Black Sea. Here Crimea Peninsula. Sea of Azov, it was believed as mother of this Black Sea. At that time, the name was known as Euxine Sea in those days. So it was called, this the Sea of Azov part was called mother of Black Sea. Also the rivers which are draining into this Black Sea are all important for us. Similarly, the bread basket of the world is also important. The bread basket of the world is located from Ukraine to Kazakhstan. This is nothing but the wheat triangle. It is located here. So the wheat is produced maximum. Why? Steppe grassland. That's all. It is a temperate grassland. Ukraine exported to many countries of the world the wheat. But India has taken that opportunity now because Ukraine has stopped exporting wheat. Yesterday only, Turkey asked India to export wheat. India has agreed to give wheat to Turkey and also other countries. If you take a previous year UPSC question, in that they asked, for the past consecutive these many years, India is the largest exporter of the wheat. Like that, they asked a question. Or at least India is the exporter of wheat. Yes, this year also, India is the exporter of wheat. because of this Ukraine crisis, Ukraine war, Russia-Ukraine war. Anyway, like that, with the help of current affairs, we are going to study the geography in detail. Also, you will not forget the subject. I give you assurance that after completing the course, you will be thorough with our syllabus, geography syllabus. Also, you will not forget that also your writing practice will be improved at the end of this program. We are going to conduct the test series also, preliminary test series, main test series. So if you follow us, then you will be familiar with each and every subject. Further, I want to say that here experience gives the students the success. I am not asking the students to write 3 attempts or 4 attempts. I ask the students to follow us because we have that experience. So if we share that experience to the students, then you will be able to clear the examination in a short period of time. So that is my advice to the students. That's all. Thank you, everyone.